In this video we have so much to talk about. We're gonna talk about the strengths of the US dollar index, which is absolutely solaring right now, and what this has to do with the Bitcoin bearish death cross we are facing right here. It's going to be a very interesting episode. Also, we're gonna cover what is likely to happen with the price of Solana, as FTX is rumored to sell off 200 million on assets every week on Wednesday, starting today. Let's start right into it. Welcome to the easiest way out in crypto. First of all, we're going to check our daily stats. 123 pZEN accumulated in the last 24 hours if you hold at least 1 million coins. I'm very grateful for that. Let's say thank you to all of those traders who are making us cash flow every single day. The Bitcoin death cross is happening right now, and there's actually not a lot going on with Bitcoin except the ETF hopium, the hopium of the spot ETF approval. And if you take a look at the number of transactions, it's going down. The general interest in general, it is going down. The Lightning Network usage, it is going down. The only thing that is holding us up right now is truly the Bitcoin spot ETF hopium. And of course the DXY Solaring here breaking out and moving higher. And this of course makes it very difficult for all assets nominated in the US dollar to perform well, right? When the US dollar goes up, every asset nominated in dollar must come down. As Satoshi Flipper said here, that all the other fiat currencies, which are even more weak than the US dollar, facing a lot of downwards pressure here against the US dollar. And this also strengthens the DXY and the US dollar in general. It's not that the US dollar is strong in per se, like it is said here. Of course the US dollar is not strong, it is just stronger than all these other currencies right now. With rising DXY, it's very difficult for crypto and also for stocks because they are nominated in US dollar. Moreover, we got inflation info coming today, and the inflation is expected to remain at 3%. Next off, we got the interest rate decision next week, and expected is a pause at 5.25%. Everything else would be an absolute shocker for the market. And as you can see here in this graph, that the S&P earnings yield minus 3 months treasury bill rate. So the yield of the S&P minus the yield you get from bonds, the risk-free yield, US treasury bonds, the safest investment there is, so to speak, and it is negative. That means that you get risk-free more yield than in the stock market right now, which is 5.25%. Me, myself, I deployed some money into bonds because having money in the USA at an interest rate of 5.25% for multiple years is just very lucrative right now, and I'm not sure how long this opportunity will last. Also, buying long-term bonds 10, 20, 30 years right now could be a more speculative investment right now. But when you believe that the Fed is going to lower the rates in 2024 due to their election topics and due to things breaking in the economy, then you should definitely buy long-term bonds, as their price will skyrocket as soon as they lower their interest rates again. Moreover, we got the FTX sell-off topic, and we can see here that most of their holdings is actually in Solana. Then we got Bitcoin, then we got Ethereum, and then it goes down, of course. What you cannot do is you cannot just go here on CoinMarketCap and look at their 24-hour volume and see, oh my god, they got 350 million in 24-hour volume. Bitcoin has 15 billion in 24-hour volume. This sell-off surely won't do anything to the price. No, you cannot do that. Remember, the size of the arena is not what is important. Important is how big the exits are. So there can be a panic if the exits are too small. And Solana is surely getting hammered here. I'm very bearish on the price, and also on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And it doesn't matter if those things get sold OTC or if they get sold right on spot market. You have like the choice to look at the order books, and see like, okay, you can sell 10 million right now with only impacting the price 2%. And if you decide to give that to an OTC trader, the OTC trader will also likely sell the assets. It's just giving away the risk. Let's say you want to sell 10 million, you decide how I'm going to sell this. Do I sell it on the open market, or do I want to give it to an OTC trader and give him the trading risk? So the price impact on the market. Then you say, okay, do I sell those 2 million right now on the spot market and dump the price 2%? And then it's still got 8 million left, or do I give it to the OTC trader and I will just pay him a markup of 3%, but then I got rid of all of them and I don't have the stress with trading, right? And the OTC trader then will likely sell as well and trade this over a period of time and wash this through, but it will definitely have a price impact. OTC sells have a price impact. So this FTX sell-off will just be a test on how the market reacts, because we will see more of this on October when the Mt. Gox coins will be sold. This is Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. If the market stays strong, if we don't have much price impact, this is a very strong sign. And because those Mt. Gox coins, those are 2.5 billion, also a lot of money. FTX will only the beginning of those sell-offs. That said, if you haven't done so already, go over to my Twitter right now and follow me over there. Also, go on my YouTube channel, click the abo button down below, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Easy way out.